How do you say daughter in French? The word daughter in French is fille. Fille. For example, il a 3 filles et pas de fils. Il a 3 filles et pas de fils. He has 3 daughters and no sons. A related term is belle-fille. Belle-fille means daughter-in-law. Belle-fille. For example, ma belle-fille s'appelle Jeanne. Ma belle-fille s'appelle Jeanne. My daughter-in-law is called Jeanne. Because the noun fille is feminine, if you want to say my daughter, you say ma fille. Ma fille. So daughter in French is fille. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.